Replace /r/n with Newline in Notepad++. How do I replace the string /r/n with the same characters? Example. Replaced with.
In the Find screen on the Replace tab, choose Extended Search. In the Find text box, put /r/n, and in the Replace text box, put /r/n.
Press Ctrl-H and the Replace dialog will open. Type //n in Find What and /n in Replace with. Finally, select Search Mode Extended, /r, /n, /t, /x, /0, and click Replace All.
Copy a new line and use the Search and Replace function to replace /r/n with the new line. The new line character will show up as an empty box.
I tried the top voted answer, but I couldn't get it to work for my newer version of Notepad++. I had to reverse what they did. So, press Ctrl-H and the Replace dialog will open. Type /r/n in Find What, and /r/n in Replace with. Then select Search Mode Extended /r, /n, /t, /x, /0, and click Replace All. Literally what Marcus did, but reverse worked for me.
Die Monsterschall, diesen Film liken en de club.